Good morning, everyone. Today, February 7, 2023, a Tuesday. We can see it's pretty good map on Amazon. So Amazon is going to make pretty good money. But right now, it's trading around like 102, 101, and 100. And you can sell that even though 105 or 110 is, it's like 100 share. You can make like around roughly like $500 easily. But anyway, the cut it's not that pricey. $100 share is good enough for like beginner, for even though like pro traders. So the second one on here we can see Tesla. It's pretty good. 198 to $200 share is going to be is soon, because like today it's like 197.5, 0.6, 0.8. So it's be, even the today's markets, today's special event is gone and this market kind of flip up a little bit. So some like another source says the market's going to leak down and tea leave. So but like every 5 minutes, the markets change based on the economy's number and inflations and like oil, gold, and gas price. So it's a lot of like ingredients in life. You can change the stock market's direction. So today, since so far direction is going to be green, so now we can see on here S&P 500 gain up a little bit, 4 point, and Nasdaq gain up 43 points, and Dow Jones lost a little bit for 41 points. So it's not too bad. It's like kind of like a little even on those. So crude oil get up a little bit over $1. So gold's gain of like 3 point, and silver gain of like 0.05. So corn, wheat, so soybeans, sugar, and coffees, the kind of food price kind of getting up this week. And especially gold gains $3 for this become like 9,000, like $1,883 is going to be hit to $2,000 for 1 ounce gold. It's very soon on the third week of this month. Around, and good morning, our traders again. We were in this at 7 a.m. Central Time. Here we see US dollars is up as 103.5. So energy and crude oil up 75 to 76, even 78 today. So financials for T power down 2 ticks and trades as 128. So indicate is like 2 ticks higher, not that much, but anyway, today's signals from now is look pretty good. It's moving up pretty well so far. So it's going to be 1,885 today is guess. So now just 81. So we're going to the next one, ETF as families. Remember what I say. 409 for SPY, and QQQ is going to be 303. If you want to buy, make profits on QQQ, you have to get like under 300, even though like 290, 295, because like around 300, that's the selling price. So SPY 407, that's still high. It's have to be like around 400 or under 400 in order to make profits, because this one costs you $400 and you make sure you have to make more than $10. That's pretty low. So that's around like 2.5%. Like 1% you have to make like at least $4, and 2.5% you have to make like $10 at least. And in the option area, we have to get like BBY. So it's going to be, again, for the call for today, it's going to be better because we're going to get a lot of call, like for sick call and 2 put only. So you can get any of those on this list. But like pinch is cheap, but for February 10 is 18 cents, and CAR just $100 straight, and it's 2.4. And because expiration is May, like May 19, even though KDP for like around July 21st or 0.45. It's not bad. That's pretty good. Actually, I like that one. It's better than the pins. So KDP is going to be the best one, and PPPY, but change that one to the call and move around April to May, even though August to July. Just be safe, because like honestly, like long time ago, it's keep like 3 months. This thing is safe, but right now the options move a little different direction. Just have to get to like 5 or 6 months. Just be safe for when orders. As soon as we can see, like overview for the market today is SECO 124% gain, even though it's the loss side, we call it red side. RSLS going to be 59.2, it's almost like 60% loss, and you can also see the general math on the right hand side is like a mixed match a little bit, but it's going to be changed different. Is to get the big change after like 8:30 Central Time. So we can see, or Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 get the signal going to be up a little bit. But anyway, with the economy like this, it's take time to recovering, and if we get a better politic team, and the stock is going to be much better, like what people expect. Remember when the 45th president, and we got pretty good stock markets, gotta make money every day. So I got a lot of students, and they say they get bored when they keep making money like that. They should say enjoy it as soon as possible, and after that, like donkey coming, then it's got pretty much a big change. And we can tell it's BTC with almost $23,000 for a share, or a core if you want to call them. And LTE is like 99.2. It's crypto is going to be a pretty good this morning. Like crypto, you can trade all day, all night, every time you get an opportunity to move, and crypto will bring you pretty good profits. But remember, it's better you Robinhood, and I think that's the best app to trade stock and crypto. It's another app out there, and make sure it's not charged too much for your transaction, and because it costs the percent on that, and you don't make as much profits. Whatever you do, they don't bring you profits, and you should not do it. So anyway, that's on the general stock mapping for today. Like everywhere, everything. So even though in US, in Canada, and they get all the material, whatever you need on that, and they show correctly. So it's here we got like Europe compared with US dollar, and all you want to say US dollar compared with another money, around the world. But they kind of like it's not that high comparing with another But remember, the US dollar is still the most stable money in this world right now. Even though like the Euro money or the England money is like another kind of money is like maybe it's a little bit higher, more expensive, but that's not stable. Stable is the US dollars. That's much stable because economy. Thank you very much, and see you guys tomorrow.